Today we're going to create a JavaScript function that takes a 10-digit number and creates a US formatted phone number. So for example, we'll get 1, 2, 3 in parentheses, a space, 3 digits, a dash, and then 4 digits. So to start out, we'll need to create a numbers array. We'll just call it num array that converts the numbers into an array. So we'll first have to take the numbers that were given and convert it to a string. So we'll use the toString function. Then we'll go right into split. So we'll split the numbers into an array, and we'll split them just right between each number. So we need to put parentheses with no space there. Okay, once we've done that, then we need to go ahead and show the format that we need. So we'll go ahead and create a variable called format, and that will show the format with X's. And then we'll just take the numbers array and replace those X's with the numbers. So like that. Let's see, we do need to put those in parentheses or in quotes. Then we need a for loop to loop through the array to cause that to happen. So we will start out our for loop at 0, and then we'll go up to excuse me, up to the length of the numbers array. So numArray.length, and we'll increment by 1 each time we go through there. So now we just take our format variable and use it to replace, there we go. So format.replace, and we're going to replace each X with a number from the num array. So each number will be I. Okay? And that's pretty much all we have to do. Then we just need to return that format. So return the format variable, and that should take these numbers, convert them to a string, split them into an array, and then as we go through, we'll take this format, replace each X with one number from the numbers array that we created. So let's go ahead and try that, and that works. So let's just try some other random numbers, make sure we're okay. So let's go 111, 222, 3333, and 111, 222, 3333. There we go. So that function works. Let me know if you have a better way to do it in the comments below. Thank you.